Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Squarespace website multilingual, so visitors from all over the world can browse in their preferred language. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, professional language switcher set up on your site, making it more accessible and engaging for a wider audience. We're diving right in. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your site settings in Squarespace. You'll find the settings option at the bottom left of your dashboard. It might take a second to spot it, but it's just beneath the main navigation panel. Clicking into your settings is like opening the control room for your website. This is where key customizations happen. Once inside, look for the Site Language section. This is important because Squarespace wants you to set the baseline language for your content. Remember, by default, Squarespace only supports a single language for your site. This is where we're going to leverage a third-party solution to break through that limitation. In the site language area, you'll notice an option for Weglot. Weglot is a popular multilingual app that integrates smoothly with Squarespace, providing reliable translation and a flexible experience for your users. Click Connect next to Weglot. This action will start the integration process. If it asks you to log in or sign up, go ahead and do that. Don't worry if you've never used Weglot before. Setting up an account there is pretty straightforward. You'll just need some basic info like your email and a password, and Weglot walks you through the onboarding with easy prompts. Once you're logged into Weglot, take a moment to configure your settings there. You'll be asked to select which languages you want your website to support. For example, you might choose Spanish, French, or maybe even Chinese, depending on your audience. Setting this up thoughtfully is key. Think about who visits your site and where they're from. Weglot will translate your site automatically, but you can review and tweak translations later to ensure they sound natural. When you're satisfied with these settings and have the green light from Weglot, meaning the setup is confirmed and your languages are enabled, you're ready for the next step. Head back to your Squarespace site and enter Edit mode. Now, click into the header section of your website. The header is typically where most sites place their navigation and brand logos. It's also a great spot for your language switcher, since it's visible on every page. Inside the header, look for Add Element or something similar. It might just say plus depending on your template. This is where you're going to add the Weglot language switcher. Toggle the option to On for the language switcher, and you should see a drop-down or button appear in your header. This tells visitors, visually, that your site is multilingual. Next, go ahead and test the switcher. Change the displayed language to something else, like Spanish, to make sure everything transitions smoothly. This kind of hands-on check is worth doing because it ensures your visitors will have a great experience. If you spot any odd phrasing or missing translations, don't worry. Weglot lets you manually adjust those later in your dashboard. Once everything looks good, don't forget to hit Save. This locks in your changes and publishes the multilingual feature live on your site. And that's it. Now your Squarespace site is ready to welcome visitors from anywhere in their language. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions about website translation and accessibility, please leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Give the video a thumbs up if you found the walkthrough helpful, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching.